Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing something on the daily. Now I know a lot of you are going to be screaming, Rob, get the Civic done, and I'm just waiting a couple more bits basically to finish off, you know, all the connections and stuff for the fuel lines, and then we'll be on that. But something that I promised myself I wouldn't do, and that is modify my daily. Now it's not much of a modification, but I think you'll probably agree with me. It'll change the front end a little bit, instead of it looking like a bloody 1960s silver grilly horrible shit. So what I'm going to show you now is what I've got. So here's the new modification. These are the M3 style grills. So I'm going to be swapping out the old chromes for the black. I think it'll make it look a little bit more aggressive, make it a little bit nicer. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to get on with it. And it's starting to snow, it's absolutely freezing as well. But anyway, let's crack on. So before I start, I just want to say thank you to everybody that got behind the last video. I appreciate it. Thank you for the comments as well. So let's get to it. So first thing, we've got to pop the bonnet. Then remove this rubber trim, get rid of that, basically to access these torque bits. So I just get a torque bits. Now we'll take them off. So if you need to know, T25 Torx bit, and these are T30s all the way across, and then T25 again. So we'll get them taken out, and then that should release this so we can pull it forward. Got to film the last bolt coming out, and I do apologise for the background noise, by the way. The wind's starting to pick up a little bit, so try and hurry this up. And then there's these little clips as well, so the plastic, when we pull it forward, it'll just come out of these little clips. I've already done it there and there anyway. I'll just show you what I mean. So if you just pull it, then that allows this front end to flex just enough so you can basically get into the back here and start unclipping. Right, the first one's out, so I'll just show you. So on the actual grill, it's got these little tabs. Basically push them down and pull out. Now the front bumper, or the top of it, was like quite difficult to pull out. It must be clipped somewhere around here, but pretty much the principle is just pull it out, and when you pull it out, you can pull it out enough so that you can, he says, that you can get your hands, if I can show you, down the back, and I need a light, so that you can see the clips just there in the middle. So basically you push them down with your little fingers and then go all the way around. I think, well, you can see anyway where they are. And then for reference as well, if you look on the new one, you can see where the tabs are. And these are off eBay, if anybody is interested in doing it. Off eBay, I think I paid 28 quid, something like that. Like I say, then they should just clip back in. And I'll just, and there you go. So you've got one after, one before. Yeah, I think that looks sick. Yeah, right, just get onto the other one. So I remembered, like, I had a torch, so that's the clips that I was talking about, and then you just basically push down, and then you push it through, and then you go all the way around. So there's one there as well, and then that is pretty much it. Second one's out, easy peasy. That one was a bit quicker. So just go into the pizza box, get the last one, make sure the rubbish doesn't go away. Oh, just put it there for now, that'll do. Get this and literally line it up. It's always hard trying to do it with one hand, and that is that. All we need to do now is basically re-clip the panel like so, just holding it in, and then we'll get the Torx bits put in there. Last couple of bolts, and it's not tight enough. It's not tight enough. Would help if I was filming in the right area as well, wouldn't it? Right, let's get these done, and then that's it. Got to put the trim on as well, don't forget. So if you're thinking of doing this, it probably took all of probably 15 to 20 minutes. The hardest bit is just making sure that you don't damage this part, because it is a little bit tight, but once you get it out and then you can put your hands down it, it's sound. So I'll just put the trim on, shut the bonnet, we'll have another look. What a difference that makes. Not bad for, yeah, not bad for 28 quid. Yeah, proper happy with that. So, right, I hope this helps you. If you're planning to do this mod yourself, like I say, really easy to do. Just a few clips and off you go. So yeah, so thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do like the content, please consider subscribing, because it does help. I want to push the channel, I want to do loads of crazy stuff. I tell you what, 100 likes by the end of the week and I'll take it to RDT and I'll get them mapped. So it's up to you. You want to see it, I'll do it. I just need your support. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.